Hi guys, ito na naman tayo. I'm going to cook leche flan. Yep, leche flan. The best dessert in the Philippines. So I'm gonna use 9 eggs of leche flan. So careful, $9, 9 pesos na ngayon ang presyo ng leche flan sa atin. And then I'm gonna use 1 can of evap and 1 can of condensed milk. That's it. I'm going to show you some of the ingredients too and technique. Come on, join me again. Okay guys, after you blend all the ingredients, after you mix all the ingredients, before you put it on the steamer, all you need to do is to cover the plate here. I'm gonna show you. Yep, this one. You have to top it like this so that the bubble will come out, will rise. And then I'm going to use aluminum foil to cover this, like this. Right. Make sure that every part will be covered. There you go. You see that? There you go. All right. There you go. After you cover it, it's ready for the steamer. Let's check our steamer if it is ready. Now we're going to check the steamer if it is ready or not. Make sure that the water inside the steamer is really like boiling water like this. I'll show you. Look at that. See that? That's the perfect time that your leche flan is ready to cook. Alright guys. Now I have here the first layer of the steamer. I'll show you. See that? It's the first steamer. Now, make sure that your pan is fixed like this in the middle. And then tap it 3 times. There you go. Now it's ready for the boiling water. Just place it slowly. There you go. This one's ready. Oh, secured. Let's wait for 45 minutes. Alright guys, thank you again for watching my videos. Hope you like it. Hope you're gonna try the leche flan. It's really good for dessert. And I hope you follow me on Facebook. And don't forget the stars. And
don't forget to like and subscribe.
Amen. Thank you guys. Meet the friends. God bless you all.